Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time Michael Vachon, I've pronounced that correctly, has ever made a Manhattan, and it's for me. It's like, I'm getting his Manhattan cherry. It's gonna be insane, right? So I'm gonna coach him through.
How many cherries in Manhattan?
Well, it depends. If you're talking to Angus Winchester, the only time he ever ordered a Manhattan from me, he wanted a Manhattan Twin Towers turned into a Sours, which was really hard because I didn't know what Twin Towers meant. Yeah. So first step.
Yeah.
Leave the ice. Oh no, actually put some ice in there. Yeah. Put some ice in the glass.
Yeah.
I guess we can do that. Just one. Yeah.
How's that? Just one.
All right.
Nice, thank you.
So you're gonna need 3 dashes of Angus sorbet.
Into the mix glass.
Well, let's highlight this actually.
Yeah. Look right-handed, so.
Cool. So,
Yep.
right, hold it by the neck. So, and then when you're holding it like by the neck, you can swing it easier, right?
Yes.
Like nice and easy grip, and then do this, boom, boom, like that, like three times.
3 dashes.
Yeah, comfortable.
All at
confidence.
once.
You gotta look like you know what you're doing. Like bam, 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 bam. I would do one more just for safety. Bam.
One
See,
more.
you're missing. You're
I'm
gonna
missing.
go straight.
Into the back.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Sorry, I don't mean to be a dick. I'm trying to.
I'm learning. I'm here to learn.
We're doing it on the spot.
Come on.
Okay. So you want one of vermouth for me? This is for me.
Okay.
personally.
So, not the ice yet.
No, not yet.
Okay.
If say for example, does it feel more comfortable on that side?
Yep.
So say for example, you're making the Manhattan, right?
Yep.
And you put in the vermouth, and then something happens and you have to run away.
Yep.
It's fine.
It's
There's
right,
no
okay.
ice diluting it.
Got it.
That's why you put the ice in last.
Ice last. Got it.
Okay, so one of those,
One of these.
nice and on the side.
Yeah. Right here.
Yep, fill it up.
Wait.
That's it. Oh, like a pro.
Okay. One of those.
Yeah, and then 2 of bourbon.
2 of bourbon.
And this time, what are we using?
We're using the Smooth Ambler Old Scout American Whiskey.
Old Scout American Whiskey. I might turn this down.
If it's 2 of bourbon, would you flip it over and do double? No, just do whatever you said.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
What?
If it's 2 of bourbon, is it double?
No, but I think
Oh,
it's
okay.
better to pour into this because you get more practice. You know what I mean? Like,
So when it's 1 part and 2 part, it's 25 mils of each. Do you know what I mean? It's sort of equal parts.
if it's 1 and 2, you would normally flip to the other side. Tony. But it's fine. You can.
Flip over that way?
No. It's
Again,
just
six,
whatever's
six.
comfortable, man. The most important is that you look really comfortable and like you know what you're doing. A lot of bartenders get by just on looking like they know what they're doing. Because most people don't really know themselves.
That's what we do as musicians all the time, mate. You know that?
Oh, look at this. Presenting everything up. It's very nice. Okay, so next I'm going to go for an orange twist.
Okay. Yeah.
Since I've already got your cherry.
Yep.
So I put the board up. Yeah, there you go.
I probably should have done it without the knife in my hand, but yeah.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then cutting away from yourself. I don't want this twist in the drink, so you can discard this. So don't worry about it being too big. There you go. And well, not yet. So put that stuff away.
Yeah.
Leave the twist next to the drink. You normally prep that before you started making the drink.
Yep.
And then that. There you go. Get rid of that. Throw it anywhere. It doesn't
Over
matter.
there. Yep.
Well, no. Leave the twist there.
Just right here.
Yeah, so before you do any twisting, you're just prepping the twist. Because at this stage, like, and we're not, this is not normal,
Yep.
but at this stage, now you've got your twist ready.
Yep.
You're not gonna, after having stirred the drink down, not have a twist.
Sure.
Your drink is mixed, you can taste it now to see if it's balanced. So if you wanted to do that, I don't have any straws, but there's a spoon there.
Yep.
Yeah.
A little of
So
this.
get a little taste. And so, put it on an angle. Since we're all French, it doesn't matter
Yeah.
so much. So to your mouth, it should taste balanced from sweetness and strength, but it should need just a little bit of chill to make it more viscous, and it should need just a little bit of.
Yeah, there's still a little bit of light
Dilution.
there, which will come away from the dilution.
All right,
so.
cool. So now it's time for ice. Now you're ready.
Now it's time for ice. Big, heaping scoop of ice.
Yeah, all the ice you can possibly get in
All
there.
the ice.
You want to make a chamber
Put
of
that back
cold.
down there. Yep.
Yeah, fill it. rock and roll.
One more in there. How's that?
Perfect. Like,
Yep.
oh, this looks amazing. You're killing it.
Yep.
Okay, so now stir.
A little of this.
And the key to stirring, yeah, there you go. The key to stirring is just keep it consistent.
and
Don't
slow.
chop the ice up.
Nice and slow.
And if
Easy does it.
you've got consistent ice and you've got consistent stirring technique and consistent temperature in the room, after a few attempts,
It is slow, but it is consistent.
it might but it might get to a point where you over dilute, and then you know what to do next time. Just do less stirring. You know.
Yep.
At this
How am I doing so
point,
far?
honestly, I think it's going to be diluted enough because
Okay.
I like them quite heavy or strong. And wait, no. Take this. So the spoon goes back where the spoon came from.
Yep.
And then that glass, what you're going to need to do is clear the ice out of the glass now.
Yep.
That goes in there. Put it back under the light so you can see it. And then reach down, your right hand down to the third box in, and there's julep strainers. Can you see those? Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
Now put that over. What you want to do, make a Pac-Man with your strongest hand, so your right hand.
Yep.
Do that. The finger stays there, and this one does that because you want a comfortable pouring position. There you go.
Yep.
That's comfortable?
Yep.
Alright,
That's
and
good.
now I'm going to turn this one off. Oh. This one up. No. This one up.
There we
Right,
go.
now,
Beauty.
pour nice and comfortably. That pourer is kind of there. You
Yeah.
want that to be at the center down. And yeah, you need to keep it about that pace. Because if you try to pour too quickly, you'll end up kind of going out the sides.
No one's in a rush here.
Don't want to aerate it too much. You want it to be smooth and viscous.
No one is in a rush.
What does viscous mean?
Thick. Viscosity.
Viscosity, yes. I like viscosity. Buttery mouthfeel.
Got you carried away there.
Yeah, so we're not going to be able to hear anything. I just realized like there's like no audio to this video. But okay, so the twist,
Yep.
pointing the orange part out, yeah, you just squeeze it and the oil should come out.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
One more. There you go.
Never
So,
dunk the fucking zest in the drink. I hate it when you do that.
do you want a cherry in yours? Or the cherry?
No, I've already taken the cherry.
Okay.
Yeah, you've given me the cherry.
Yeah, have that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. There's your
Hypothetical cherry.
Manhattan right there.
Amazing.
I hope you enjoy it.
That's really fucking good. Taste that.
Yeah. I won't hesitate. That's a really great Manhattan. I'm amazing at Manhattan.